Here's the CineSys AI Tools plugin. After installing the plugin, users are going to get an option on the item gear of each item called AI Analysis. When they click that, they're going to be able to select whether they want to do label detection, text detection, or both. Confidence is basically how certain the AI algorithm has to be for it to actually return a value. So if we want more values that might be less accurate, we lower it. And if we want very accurate values, we set it higher. When we start the job, it's going to start a background process that may take a little while. It's going to send data to Amazon Web Services and wait for a response. If we go over here to CineSys Plugins, CineSys AI Tools, this is both the configuration page and also a history showing which items are being worked on right now. In here, when users install the plugin, they're going to set up their AWS account credentials on here. They're going to specify where files are going to be stored on AWS. And they're also going to specify portal metadata field IDs where the label and text detection data is going to go. There are a few other options, such as for timed metadata, how finite do you want it to be in terms of seconds? So by default, it's every 5 seconds. New labels can go on to different timespan metadata. I'll show what timespan metadata looks like after this item is processed. Once this has been done, there's actually a link here to the item. And we can see that it's received labels and text detection as well. There's not a lot of text on this video. You might see that sort of faded in the foreground is the film supply logo, and that's what it detected. What it's detected in terms of labels is just subjects right in the video. So one thing that it detected is smoke. That must be the smoke back here. Human, probably like this person right here. So that's helpful from a macro standpoint. You know, you can be able to search different labels, like you could search statue and this video would now come up. There's a second part to this plugin, which is the timespan metadata. So we've added a tab called timespans, and this will let us view the different labels that were given at different times in the video. So if I want to find, you know, when was smoke in this video, up here I can filter and I can type in smoke. Here I'll just demonstrate a quick search. So smoke's on that in the label detection. I think the other one had Nestle. Right. The last couple things I should mention is that this can be run on a bulk number of items. So if you select a lot of items on the search page and then run AI analysis, you can run the same job on all of them. This can be pretty costly in terms of AWS fees. The only other thing I should mention is that it's pretty cheap and easy to run it on images. Let's go to the other one. It should be almost instant when you run it on an image. So let's do an AI analysis, label and text detection. And then if we check our history, it shows that it already did it. Let's refresh the page. And it's detected all these different texts on the image. So that's the demo for CineSys AI Tools plugin for Cantemo. You can run AI recognition tasks on videos, sets of videos, and images so that you can quickly search for subjects and text in your clips.